Tonight, a local police officer is being called a hero after saving a woman who was swept off the road into a high-rising creek. 4029's Jonathan Roselle is in Springdale and talked exclusively to that officer.
The policeman tells me this is where he saw floodwaters push the car into the creek. That's when he sprang into action to rescue the woman, putting his own life at risk.
Big adrenaline rush. It was a relief. I'm glad we found her.
Officer Patrick Olcott has every reason to smile today. Last night, he saved a woman's life.
It was a good feeling. It was a good feeling knowing I found her.
He says the woman was driving too far in front of him on a flooded Puppy Creek Road.
Kind of past the point of no return.
Then, the unthinkable happens.
Her vehicle was in the northbound side at this point, getting swept in by the water. She turned around, her vehicle turned around, and then she went over the side of the bridge.
Olcott quickly runs after the woman after he didn't see her get out of her car.
I went tree to tree, holding on. I didn't have anything else to grab on with.
He used his flashlight and lights from a fire truck to see his way through the dark.
And I was about knee-high in water at that point.
Then he calls it a miracle. She was yelling out to him after somehow escaping her car.
We just kept yelling back and forth to each other until I got to her.
Using his baton to fish her out.
She was up to about her waist in water. She was holding on to an oak tree, and I was about up to my waist or so. I was a little higher ground.
He says he last saw her in the back of an ambulance.
I wanted to check on her, make sure she was okay, and she just gave me the big old bear hug for a good couple minutes.
And right after our interview, so did her family.
I just want to say thank you.
He says the woman is home from the hospital doing okay tonight. Police say they were able to locate her car earlier today. In Springdale, Jonathan Roselle, 4029 News.
Jonathan, thanks for that report. And Springdale Street Department says Puppy Creek Road is closed right now. They think the bridge may have been damaged during last night's severe weather. Crews will be out Monday to remove the debris and take a closer look at the bridge.